Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, it is one of the important system in our body. This system which connect the central nervous system to the different parts of the body having receptor and the effectors. Depending on the connection to the central nervous system, the peripheral nerves which are classified into two main types, that is cranial nerves which is connected to the brain and spinal nerves which is connected to the spinal cord. When we see about the cranial nerves, it is 12 paired number from 1st to 12th, and it divided into three types of neuron, that is sensory neuron, motor neuron and mixed neuron. Okay, in the sensory, first, second and 8th number of cranial nerve which is seen. In the motor, third motor neuron include the third, fourth, 6th, 11th and 12th neuron, and mixed neuron which includes 5th, 6th, 9th and 10th. And when we see about the spinal nerves, which are 33 pairs of mixed nerves originating from the spinal cord. When we see this table, that is it divided into three columns, that is in the first column group which involved the numbers of pairs, then region of origin from vertebral column. In first column, that is cervical, in the cervical group there are 8 total numbers of pairs are seen, C1 to C8, and it is seen into the neck region. This vertebral column which is seen into the neck region having C1 to C8. Second one is the thoracic group, that numbers of pair 12 pair means T1 to T12 pair which is seen into thorax. Then lumbar group which is having 5 number L1 to L5 seen into the abdomen, and then sacral having numbers of pairs 5 S1 to S5 seen into pelvic region, and coccygeals numbers of pair 1, and it is mostly it is seen into the coccyx region. When we do the total of numbers of pair 8 plus 12 plus 5 1, so their total is 31 pairs which is seen into the different region of origins from vertebral column. When we see the formation of typical spinal nerves, that what happen when we see this diagram, at that time you can see here there are different types of the spinal nerves are seen, that is sensory type, motor type and the mixed type of nerves which is seen into the spinal nerves. All spinal nerves are mixed type, means they have some nerve fiber as a sensory and some motor. Okay, each spinal nerve is formed inside the neural canal of vertebral column by two root, that is the posterior or dorsal sensory root, and anterior, that is the ventral root. You can see here in this diagram. Anterior root receive the sensory nerve from the dorsal root ganglion, while the anterior or ventral root gives out the motor nerve. Means the dorsal sensory and ventral motor nerve together and form the mixed spinal nerve. It emerges out from both the sides of spinal cord through the intervertebral foramen. Means as soon as it emerges out of vertebral column, it shows the branches. Which branches? That is ramus dorsalis, ramus ventralis and ramus communicans. Ramus dorsalis, which is mostly seen skin and muscles of dorsal side. Ramus ventralis is the largest of three, supplies the organs and muscles on lateral and anterior side. Ramus communicans, smallest of the three and given out from first thoracic up to the third lumbar spinal nerves, and it joins the sympathetic ganglia. The next type, that is autonomic nervous system. This autonomic nervous system, it transmit the impulse from central nervous system to the involuntary organ and smooth muscle. Involuntary organ means what? It will not control to that our willpower. It consists of special set of peripheral nerves that regulate the activity of involuntary organ. For example, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles, and different glands. Okay, in that the impulse which is means this impulse pass from central nervous system to preganglionic neuron. From this preganglionic neuron, it pass to the autonomous ganglion. From this autonomous ganglion pass to the axon, then postganglionic neuron, and after that it affect on the effector organ. This autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. When we see the sympathetic nervous system, in that it is also called as the thoracolumbar outflow. It consists of 22 pair of sympathetic ganglia, which is located on a pair of sympathetic cords on the lateral side of spinal cord. The preganglionic nerve fiber are short and postganglionic nerve fibers are long. In that, the terminal end of postganglionic nerve fiber, that is adrenalic fiber, at a effector organ produce adrenaline and the noradrenaline, and the sympathetic nervous system control the fight and flight response during emergencies, and it stimulates most body organs except in the digestive and excretory organ. As soon as when we see parasympathetic nervous system, it is the craniosacral outflow. It consists of the branch from the cranial third, sixth, 9 and 10th nerves, sacral second and third, and spinal sixth. In sixth nerves, fourth nerves, the ganglia of parasympathetic nervous system lies close to the effector organ, and the preganglionic nerve are long and postganglionic nerves are short. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये पॅरासिम्पॅथॅटिक नर्वस सिस्टीम इट इज अपोजिट टू दॅट ऑफ द सिम्पॅथॅटिक नर्वस सिस्टीम. सिम्पॅथॅटिकमध्ये काय होतं की जे प्री गँग्लिओनिक होते नर्व फायबर ते शॉर्ट होते आणि पोस्ट गँग्लिओनिक नर्व फायबर ते लॉंग होते. बट पॅरासिम्पॅथॅटिकमध्ये काय होतं आहे की जे प्री गँग्लिओनिक नर्व्ज आहे ते लॉंग आहे आणि पोस्ट गँग्लिओनिक नर्व फायबर जे आहे ते शॉर्ट आहे. ओके, यामध्ये पहा की जे टर्मिनल एंड्स आहे पोस्ट गँग्लिओनिक नर्व फायबरचे विच फॉर्म द कोलिनर्जिक फायबर ॲट द इफेक्टर ऑर्गन अँड प्रोड्यूस द ॲसिटिल कोलिन. तिकडे ॲड्रिनालिन आणि ॲड्रिनालिन प्रोड्यूस करत होते इफेक्टर ऑर्गनवर, तर इकडे काय दिसणार आपल्याला ॲसिटिल कोलिन. अँड दिस पॅरासिम्पॅथॅटिक नर्वस सिस्टीम इट इज antagonistic to sympathetic nervous system, or it is one of the housekeeping system. Okay, this is one of the difference in between this parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. One of the thing which is remaining in the parasympathetic nervous system, that is it has inhibitory effect on most organs except digestion, peristalsis, and micturations, which are inhibited by the sympathetic system. You can see here in this diagram, sympathetic pathway use the acetylcholine and norepinephrine, and parasympathetic pathway use the acetylcholine. Central nervous system दिसत आहे तुम्हाला वर, त्याच्यानंतर it produces these chemicals that is acetylcholine, and in that this one of the ganglion which is present, autonomic ganglion, which contains the non-epinephrine in the sympathetic and acetylcholine in the parasympathetic. This ganglion, autonomic ganglion, pass this chemical, that is norepinephrine, to that of the target tissue through the one of receptor and done their work. In this table you can see here the comparison of parasympathetic and sympathetic effect. When we see the organ heartbeat, in that the sympathetic effect increase in a nature, means in the parasympathetic decrease heartbeats, blood vessels in the sympathetic effect contract and parasympathetic dilates, arterial blood pressure that increase in sympathetic effect, parasympathetic effect decreases, pupil of eye dilates and parasympathetic मध्ये constrict, gastrointestinal movement it is retard peristalsis in the sympathetic effect, and in the parasympathetic effect accelerates the peristalsis, urinary bladder which is relax the bladder in sympathetic effect, parasympathetic contract the bladder.